Hey there, this is Sugar Coater. Have you seen the anime Land Saga? It is an adorable anime about zombie girls that become idols. This gluten-free red velvet pound cake recipe is inspired by that anime and zombie brain. So first, I added the wet ingredients into a mixing bowl and mixed well. Then I slowly incorporated the dry ingredients, one ingredient at a time. So I started out with the cocoa powder and then later on added the almond flour. I added half of the almond flour first and mixed well until just combined. Then I added the other half of almond flour. Lastly, I added a few drops of red food coloring and combined well. After I lined a bread pan with parchment paper, I put the batter inside and spread it out evenly. Then I baked the pound cake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Once the pound cake cooled completely, I decorated the top with American buttercream frosting and flour edible sprinkles. So if you saw the anime, which character is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I hope that you like this recipe. And just a reminder, I just launched my anime cookbook, Anime Baking and Desserts in Real Life. I put the link in the video description on where to get it, so I hope that you can support me by getting a copy. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.